What's up everybody, my name is Aki. Today I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a few tips to create epic travel shots with Insta360 X3. My basic setting for X3 is resolution 5.7K, 30 frames per second, ISO 100, white balance 50, 500, and shutter speed auto. It's best if we can manually adjust the shutter speed all the time, but sometimes we don't have the luxury to do that due to limited shooting situations. So I decided to leave it auto this time. There are hundreds of camera techniques out there, but let me show you some of the easiest and best movements that I often use for X3. First one is Selfie Shot. This one works the best when you're on a vehicle or any moving object. To get the best results, keep the camera as far away from the subject as possible, because the further the camera, the less distortion there will be in the footage. This is why I recommend using 3-meter extended selfie stick than a normal one. You can achieve many different kinds of shots depending on how you angle the camera. If you're a solo traveler or in a situation where you cannot hold the camera yourself, Insta360 offers you a wide selection of gears to support your solo shooting. For example, motorcycle mount bundle is a perfect solution if you're riding a quad bike, go-kart, or any vehicle that comes with a pole to mount the camera. Meanwhile, chest strap, head strap, or back bar would be the best selection if the vehicle has nowhere to mount the camera. Second one is top-down shot. All you have to do is raise the selfie stick vertically and hold it as steady as possible. Because the camera always stays right above the subject, it produces a perfect bird's eye shot. Adding a little bit of rotation in Insta360 Studio will make the footage look even more dynamic. As an extension, if you slowly rise the camera from the ground to the sky, you can get a vertical rise effect like this. Get creative and try your own movements. Third one is flying away shot. Gradually raise the selfie stick from a low to high position while walking backwards. This camera movement simulates the way drone flying away from one point. This is a perfect camera movement to capture group shots or to slowly review the environment. My advice is to walk and raise the camera as slow as possible in order to avoid the risk of getting shaky images. And like I mentioned in the previous tip, adding a little bit of rotation in post-production always makes the footage look more exciting. Thanks to the portability, waterproofing, and 360-degree shooting function of X3, capturing high-quality travel videos have become easier and more effortless than ever before. I encourage everyone to take X3 on their journeys and create exciting memories with it. I'm looking forward to seeing your results. Have a nice shooting!